Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this evening's ribbon cutting ceremony of our brand new Alumni Hall, just for you. At West High School tonight, we are unveiling our brand new Alumni Hall. Our Alumni Hall houses our Athletics Hall of Fame and our J. Fred Cram Hall of Distinguished Alumni. This is an area where alumni can come together for reunions and gatherings because this is their space. We raised approximately $175,000 privately from our alums, so we want to make sure this space is for them when they want to come back.
The state championship autographed football from the '64 team, state champions, and the City League trophy. Put it back where they belong.
The Athletic Hall of Fame is strictly for the great pioneer athletes of all time, from 1953 to present. The J. Fred Cram Hall of Distinguished Alumni, that honors all kinds of students who have gone through here, not just athletics. We have 6 different categories ranging from education to business and entrepreneurship to music, drama, politics, government. There's just so many different categories that someone could become great in.
Come a long ways from rolling bowling balls down West High School corridors one morning. It's a true story. Dave heard that story and he sent me a letter for bowling.
With the Athletic Hall of Fame and the Distinguished Hall of Fame, we have touchscreen systems where our current students can go in and learn about the great pioneers of the past. Because we feel if they can learn from the history of our school through our alumni and understand that they're following the same path that the kids before them did, and they went on to do great things. We have tremendous all-stars here in our alumni base at Wichita West, and we want our kids to learn from them and aspire to be great just like they did. The class of 1972 is donating all of the furniture here, so they'll have high top bar tables, bar stools, round tables. It's a place where, as I said, alumni can come and have gatherings, listen to alumni from their classes, and catch up on the years.
So thank you so much from the school side for all of your support. Thank you for being a proud pioneer. It shows all over our city and over our country. And it is just awesome to be a pioneer.
When you're coming into a brand new space like this that they have dedicated their time and money into to helping our current students see that this is a great school. They get to see that Pioneer alumni are dedicated just as much today as they were in the years past to their school. So if they can see that kind of devotion to Wichita West High School, it's going to motivate our kids to excel.